best meet and greets I have ever experienced.
Hello there. Oh no, I'm just here to make sure he gets to work later.
Oh, no, you know what? I was actually writing down to leave to go to the tour. Oh, yeah, no, wasn't I? I was just talking to the whole line over here about how I had to go and make some saddles.
Well, line's enough.
Right?
I don't need to have another person lying for me.
Well, no, I'm not lying, right? I was just about to go to the port. I'll be right over there, Garver. I'll be over there quicker than you could say archipelago. He doesn't believe me. Sorry about that. Welcome to Berkeley. Oh, yeah, he's a big old baby. He looks like a big old baby. Yes, right, baby. That's right. He looks a lot scary. There you go. Very nice. Looks like very tiny to say kind of great. Wonderful. This is a highlight of the day. You seem to be having a very good time. Oh, really? You hear that? Right? You're the highlight of her year. Isn't that wonderful? Yeah, that is a huge. Just look at that. 10 times bigger than he used to be. Oh, yeah. He's eating up all this attention for me. He's loving it. Yeah, hard you right. Yeah. You got to work together, and he seems to really enjoy having you around. Yeah. All right, I asked her, but don't worry. She said yes. If you want to see her again.